Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can rotate words in MS Words. So first you need to go to the Insert tab and then click on the table and click on the 1 by 1 table. You can adjust the table row and height from this white dot. And now type your desired word inside the cell. For example, rotate words. And now click on this four-sided arrow and right click and click on the text direction. And now select your preferred vertical orientation, for example 90% or to 70° and click OK. You can select the bottom to top and select top to bottom, whatever your choice is. Click OK to proceed. So if you want to hide the table border, then go to the table design, click on the border and select the no border. Then go to the layout and here you can select the text direction inside the align top left, and this is the align top center, and this is the align top right. This is the align center left, this is the align center, and this is the align center right. And similarly, this is the align bottom right, this is the align bottom center, and this is the align bottom left. So whatever your choice is, I'll be preferring this option. You can also increase or decrease the cell size from here. You can increase it like here and decrease it from here. This is the length and this is the width. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can rotate words in MS Word without text box. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.